Hi, my name is Gabaccia. I'm from Biz Better is my company. We are dedicated to providing training tools for entrepreneurs in e-commerce, digital marketing, content strategy, SEO, and process improvement. If you're a small retailer and you don't have an e-commerce aspect to your business or an e-commerce channel, you're missing out on return customers, right? So I I think if you as a business owner haven't taken that plunge, or you've taken it partially, because I know a lot of smaller retailers are like, well, I don't have time to set up my e-commerce, right? And it's hard to carve out that the time to get it set up. And then also when you start, it's not like I open my online store, I'm making online sales. Doesn't work like that, right? You need a whole overarching strategy to bring traffic to your website. But if you already have a storefront, you have the upper hand in that people are coming in and meeting you in person. So they will be more likely to go and purchase from you on your website because they have met you in person. So if you're a storefront, a retail location, I would say it's a great investment to just carve out the time to put together your online store, to get all your products on that inventory, to educate yourself on how to take simple but good photos that can just go directly on that website and just get the potential going.